In today's episode, we will show you how we make nigiri and otsumami from this gorgeous snow crab, ZUWAIGANI. Hello, this is Yuri. Today, Akira-san will show you how to make Zuwai-gani no Qimi Zu wa e, snow crab with Kimizu. First, put saucepan on boil. We will use this later for water bath. We need 2 egg yolks today. Let's crack this open. Measure 10 milliliter of mirin, 5 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt, just as a charm. Now mix it well until sugar dissolves. Let's add 20 milliliter of vinegar. We use rice vinegar, but apple vinegar and grain vinegar works better. Mix it again very well until you get an egg mixture like this. As for the saucepan, bring it to simmer once water has boiled. Now, put a bowl of egg mixture into hot bath, then stir until it thickens. And make sure to have a bowl full of ice water ready next to you for the next step. It starts to curdle at around temperature of 65 degrees, so until then, keep your spatula moving. What we are aiming for is the thickness of a mayonnaise. I think we're almost ready. Akira-san, どうですか?
これぐらい OK.
Set aside from heat and place the bowl onto an ice full of water. Cool it down slowly by mixing it gently. Now, let's use a mesh strainer to make our Kimizu into a silky, smooth texture. Oh, I haven't explained what Kimizu is yet. Kimizu is a vinegar mixed with egg yolk. Akira-san always referred to it as Japanese egg sauce. It is similar to mayonnaise, but this traditional Japanese flavor is said that it's been around since Edo era. It goes perfectly well not only with crab, but all other shellfish, clams, and also boiled vegetables. A healthier alternative to your mayonnaise. Okay, here we have a packed snow crab, ZUWAIGANI. This kind of crab meat is so much easier than buying a whole crab and scraping the meat out of a claw. Especially if you want to make Kimizu wa e, these crab flakes are more than enough in terms of quality. Let's open the package and roughly mix the meat with your hand or spoon, as we want different parts of crab like legs and belly meat to mix up evenly. Now we will mix crab meat with Kimizu. Scoop out 45 grams of crab meat and mix it with 15 grams of Kimizu. Once it blends together, we're ready to serve. First, we will show you how to serve it in otsumami style. Today's tsuma is myoga, the Japanese wild ginger. Akira-san loves to serve crab with myoga as they both have a similar flavor profile. It may be difficult to find this outside of Japan, but if you do come across it, please try it. After thinly chopping myoga, place it in water, then quickly rinse it before serving. Now all we need to do is to plate. Grab a little bit of myoga, and we also have carrot tsuma here, so we will plate this together. Place crab on top of tsuma, and as a final touch, season it with grinded pepper. Enjoy it with white wine, champagne, plum wine, or cold and crisp ginjo sake.
召し上がれ!
Now we will show you how to make nigiri sushi. Akira-san will show you a demo first, then I will add step-by-step commentary in the second round. First and foremost, I think it's best to have these items ready near you. Wet your hand with this vinegar and take Kimizu wa e to your left hand. Then with your right hand, grab about 12 to 13 grams of shari. Make a small ball, then gently place it on top of Kimizu wa e. Then with your right thumb, forefinger, and middle finger, Gently press the top and bottom side of sushi to shape it up a little. Then slide the forefinger and middle finger to the center of sushi. Press gently while holding sushi with your left hand softly. Open your left hand, then roll over the sushi so that the rice is at the bottom. Bring it back towards the tip of your hand. Gently hold the side with your right thumb and forefinger. Then, place your right forefinger and middle fingers on top. Press gently. Grab sushi with your right hand and spin it around once. Gently use your right forefinger and middle finger to shape the side of sushi. Then press it from the top, gently, for one last time. Personally, no need for wasabi for this sushi. Squeeze a hint of sudachi or any citrus. Then apply a small amount of soy sauce.
ズワイガニの黄身酢和えでございます。Thank you and ありがとう。
See you in the next video.